show the
Record aja kan?
apa? Dia udah aku record.
Di revenue nih kan?
Eh,
Balik ya?
Oke Om, siap. Okay, so the step for new partner onboarding is actually on the paper, but for owner side, I will show you here. Share screen ya. Okay, so this one, so when new owner actually just sign up, what they will see is an empty dashboard without anything, not like this, but only one button. Please add new property. So what they need to do is click on that button. It will bring them to this page, and then what they need to do is to add new property. Then by adding new property, then we just type the property name, the details, the normal details like we when they usually create new property, and then when they click on add, it will become like this. So the property name here, and then the status is pending approval because the contract is not signed yet. This is if it's already done, everything is done, then it will be partner. If we change the status to partner to non-partner, then it will show here. So when the status still pending approval, it will show something like this. So this is all the step that partner need to do in order to request a photo shoot. So our benefit is actually to request a photo shoot later, but they cannot request a photo shoot if there is no revenue projection, and also no contract, and also no training material. So after the owner send or fill up the property details, the one on the beginning here, the one that they fill up here, so there will be a notification, this one. So after partner fill up property details, the data will send to proposal list on MB Trello, so that the market builder will create a first sign contract. So on employee side, what we will see is like the property name is, for example, this one, test property. Test property name. Let's see, test. Okay, this one is pending approval, test property name. Then on employee side, if I am a revenue manager, then I need to attach a revenue projection photo image. So when a revenue manager create image, create a projection, so all you need to do is screenshot and then upload it here. After it's uploaded, then it will be saved here, and the next person need to do that as well. So market builder, this is not for revenue manager, but this is for market builder. So market builder, they need to put the link of the contract here, and then give the pin that the owner need to use when they are opening the contract. Also from content, content person also need to attach a paper document for the training material. So the training is now only done from this document, and document, video, and all other tutorial. So when when these three are finished, when all of these three revenue projection, contract, and calendar training material is done, then the owner will get a notification on their email. The notification will look like this. Example. Okay. Finish. Let me check. What is it called? Bukit Vista. not this one. So basically, an email like registration at Bukit Vista. Okay, so email like this with link. So your contract is ready. Please click on the link below. Then the owner need to click on the link, and then they need to. This is from owner side. This is from owner side. The owner need to accept the revenue projection. So there will be two button here. So a photo, an image of the revenue projection, and two button, accept the revenue projection or decline the revenue projection. If the owner agree with the revenue projection, then they can go next. So it will show please sign the contract, and then the owner will sign the contract. Then after they sign the contract, then they will need to click on the training material and see the document, and then after that they need to click on a button. So the two button option is I already understand how to use Toolkit, and the second one is I need additional training. So if the owner is already understand about Toolkit, then they can go directly to request photo shoot. If no, then they will need to request a new photo shoot, additional training. So if owner need additional training for Toolkit, then the notification will be sent to market builder that who's the person to assign someone to give training. So currently we are still in discussion who will give the training and where. Is it at base or we come to their property? Okay, so after they finish, then they can request a photo shoot. So by requesting photo shoot, it means that they will fill a form about the amenities, like is breakfast provided, how many bedroom, how many bathroom, and all of their details, and bank details as well is on request photo shoot. And then this is the launch date, so that they can tell us when their property will be available. So this is the flow from the partner side. So in terms of revenue manager, what we need to do is just we need to see if there's any new property that need revenue projection. Currently it's still here, it's still on Slack. So this is new property, address Nusa Penida. So this if we see something like this, then we need to create the revenue projection and attach it here. So so far, is there any question?
Yeah, I think it's more clear from me. I will try tomorrow, but if there's any like a difficulty, maybe I will see the video again.
Okay.
So yeah, if not, I will just contact you.
Okay, so maybe the way to think is how we make sure that all revenue manager is know that there's a new property that need projection, and how we divide it. Who will do revenue projection for which squad or which area? We need to decide on that, because currently it's only on Slack, and we don't know if someone actually working on that or not.
What do you think if like the MBA team fill the platform, and assign the person there, and then like the new person for this property, and then which link of the card, and then which person that you assign for make the revenue
But
projection,
who will assign?
the MBA.
Mm,
So we put the details like D1 Uluwatu area, this area, the area. So there's like a name and then the area. So that like a choose like a apa pilihan itu loh, menu pilihan. Itu ada kayak D1 strip Uluwatu Padang-Padang ya. Sandy, Canggu, Seminyak ini. Jadi kalau daerahnya di mana dia assignnya sama the right person gitu. Jadi dapat notif ke Slack atau di training.
okay.
contract gitu loh, kayak type form.
Okay, so we want this to be automated. So if there's a new property sent by owner, then it will automatically go to the revenue manager. But where? Which platform is which platform that the all of this revenue manager is checking? So so far it's on Trello is the best place, but the Trello is still on the market building, not on the PRM yet. So we need to make sure that the revenue manager is checking the Trello for market building.
And there's like guest house, so we need like to launch the what is first, and then it's booking. There's will notification in Slack, right? How to ask this? Automatically making a content request after the listing is booking. If there is so, we can do the same.
Yeah, but where which Trello or which channel that we need to send this request?
There's a notification in channel, so it like we should have a channel for revenue management. I think in the squad to partnership relation or partnership market building funnel, there is like one card like a request projection. So like one more card like a request projection.
Yeah, could
requesting
be.
projection. Yeah, so all the property that need projection is there. So all the squad to just check that card, make sure that's empty.
No, actually it's already there. So okay, let me see. Market building. Okay. Okay, squad to market building. If there's any, wait, where is it? Okay, if there's any new card here, this is filled by owner. Then it's actually need revenue projection. So it's this card. So this one.
Share screen, mas.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so this one, so this list is proposal. Okay, so need revenue projection. This one, if there's a new card, then just make the projection. So this like this, for example, this is the details, and then this is the details. Owner name, why it's empty, yeah? Resident village.
Amazon is already, I think that's a double card. Amazon is already make and Asus also already make the reference.
No, but it's not attached yet. Okay, so this is
Right.
yeah.
The Amazon in the ready photo shoot, mas, already. Amazon.
Okay. Yeah, but this is wrong.
But
So this is wrong. Basically, we cannot use the card that use this name. This is not standard. So this card is created by I don't know. I don't know who make this card, but then we ask owner to fill up the form, right? The property details. Then the property will automatically goes here. So what we are doing is we attach the old card to this Trello card. So we attach the old one. We attach this one, for example. Share, copy. Then we can archive this card and not delete, just archive it. And then Amazon, we attach this here. Okay, so like this. Then we move it here. So the old details is here, but the new details, because all of the amenities detail will be updated automatically here, just below the market builder. They're good?
Yeah. So that card is the automatic from bigger, yeah.
Yeah, automatic from bigger. So every time there's a new card on the proposal section on Trello, then we can yeah we need to make a revenue projection.
Yeah, can it's also get notification from Slack, Mas?
Yeah, on Slack
Because
also.
sometimes I cannot like check it because my,
Okay, so
like
this yeah
do revenue projection,
this
just like a focus on the squad
yeah
instead of the
yeah. This one is always on Slack. This one. So like a new property Losari Bungalow, so it's always on Slack. This is all of the property that already fill up. So Amazon is here already, so it's already filled up on November 20. Okay, is there any question?
from me or
Oh, good, Diwan? Oh, good, yeah. Okay, let's try with the new property on Uluwatu. Okay, so please follow the step. If there's any friction, uh, don't jump to the next step, but wait until this step is fixed. So just tell me if you have any problem, like oh, the owner cannot do this, cannot do this. Just tell me, I will fix it. Then we will use it. So that way we can fix it, not jumping to the next one.
besok Mas Willy libur nggak? Kamis.
Besok kayaknya enggak sih.
Oke.
Kenapa? Kamu besok ininya ketemunya?
Iya, maunya besok. Nanti kalau misalnya ada yang nggak ini kan biar
Ya.
aku cepet nanya.
Ya langsung aja. Oke, itu aja, gengs. Thank you ya for the quick singkat ya.
Thank you.
Oke, bye.